Alonso here from Remify Music, and thank you for watching and joining me for one of my tutorials. So today I'm bringing you an easy way to upload your images directly from your PC to your Instagram account without the need of a scheduling software, which was most likely will charge you anyway, a emulator, or using your mobile device. Now I love doing this because I hate writing long posts on my mobile devices, and also formatting the description of my images I upload is a lot easier if I have my keyboard. Now, this is simply done through your Chrome web browser, and all you need to do is head over to Instagram.com and sign into your account. I've already done that, and my account is Remify Music. Please head over and follow it. I haven't got that many followers just yet, but slowly growing every day. And once you've signed in, you're going to right-click on the web page and select Inspect. So once you've done that, it will open up this console on the right hand side, and then you need to head over to click on this little icon that represents a iPhone or phone and tablet. So once you've clicked that, that's going to toggle a version of your Instagram that resembles the one that you have on your phone. Now, you can change the emulator to different phones. I just usually select Galaxy S5. Now, sometimes when you do this, you will not see this lower menu. Now, if this doesn't appear in your version, all you need to do is head over and refresh the page. Once you refresh the page, it will most likely appear. And once you've done that, you would use this as you would normally use your Instagram on your mobile device. So we're going to upload an image. Let's click on this, and we're going to upload this image here. Now, for some reason, it's not letting me upload anything other than JPEGs on my Mac, but on my Chrome, on my PC, it lets me upload any file I wish. You can double click on that, let it upload, and then click next, write a caption. Let's just write test and share it. Done. Simple as that. Now remember that there's a limit to the amount of hashtags you can write in your description on Instagram, which is 30. And if you do put more than 30 hashtags, what's going to happen is you won't get prompt. It will upload the image, but will not upload the description. So be careful of that. Hopefully this has been useful. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel where I do tutorials and showcase my sheets that I create for teachers, students, and the parents that have children learning music. Thank you very much for watching, and have a nice one. Bye.